Work expands to occupy the amount of time you allot to it. Hi, my name is Lakshay and today we are continuing on the theme of the video that I last created about constraints that you can watch by clicking on the card right here if you haven't watched it already. Any amount of time that you budget for any particular task is going to be filled. The amount of work is largely independent of the amount of time people allot to it. In other words, if you think you can get something done in 1 hour, you're likely to allot 2 to 3 hours to it, budgeting for the unforeseeable. You're taking into account the various situations that can arise, the various things that can go wrong, which seldom do. However, that does not prevent you from allotting those entire 3-hour chunks to the 1 hour tasks that should ideally be completed in 1 hour. Here's a quick example. When I have a meeting in 1 hour and I'm well and ready and prepped for it, I tend to procrastinate for the hour preceding or leading up to the meeting. That's what I used to do. One day I decided that that is not an appropriate use of my time and I am going to devote that 1 hour to doing something entirely different that needs to be done. For instance, this very video I'm creating right now, in about 30 minutes I have a meeting that I have to go to in terms of a virtual conference, right? It's got to be right here, but it's 30 minutes from now. It's 20 minutes from now. And I have 20 more minutes and basically nothing to do. I have a lot to do, but those 20 minutes were allotted to me getting ready for the meeting, and I'm now actually ready for the meeting. So what do I do with those 20 minutes? Well, this is what I'm doing, right? And I could get this done, I am getting this done, and I will get this done. Why? Because I'm not going to waste those 20 minutes. People allot themselves far too much time to get something done that can be done in a much shorter period of time. A quick hack for you is, if you think something will take 1 hour to get done, if everything goes right, allot just 1 hour to it. Now you might be wondering, what do you do with the buffer? How do you handle buffers, or how do you create buffers? Well, don't create buffers for individual tasks. Create buffers for entire projects. So if the entire project has 4 people working on it and its proposed duration is 6 days, well, allot another 2 days for the buffer, but try to get it done within the 6 days. Now, if something does go wrong, as things tend to do go wrong, you have the buffer. But don't build in a buffer on each step of the way, on every task along the way, even if it's not the critical path. How do you get more done in less time? Simply allot less time to getting more done. That's all there is to it. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something from it. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, comment, share this video with your friends and colleagues. My name is Lakshay and I'll see you soon.